Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Motorola Moto G04. This operation can be helped if it doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly, like in my case. So first of all, we have to turn off our phone by pressing volume up and power. We have to power off. That's right. Now press and hold volume down and power button together. Volume down and power button. Release all the button and now volume down to search for a recovery mode. Yes, and accept by power. And now we have a secret menu from we gonna choice wipe cache partition, accept by power, yes, and wipe data factory reset power one more time, and that's it. Now phone is now formatting, and we're gonna reboot system now by pressing power button, and that's it. Now the phone gonna be start with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on the phone, and don't have any issues in the software. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.